Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So I am starting this vlog from the bedroom now because we are going out and I just want to change quickly. So I just thought let's start the vlog. Anyways, kal 15th August hai. It's Independence Day. I really don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, but Altamasha is off tomorrow and we have like a long weekend thing. So we are planning to go out somewhere actually. बहुत सारे options थे, but due to the weather, it's rainy season, so we're not gonna make most of it. We were planning to go out, but abhi currently we have no such plan, so we're just gonna do few things over this weekend. Like now we are going for movies 3-2. हमें online tickets नहीं बता रही है because आज ही release हुई है, so maybe it's completely packed, but still we are going to the theaters to see because sometimes you can show online, so we're just taking that chance. And anyways कल छुट्टी है, so I just thought let's go and check. अगर मिल गया we'll go and watch, if not घूम फिर के वापस आ जाइए. So I'm just getting ready for that. Completely ready. I don't know for what reason मेरा एक eyeliner हमेशा टेढ़ा ही लगता है. और इतना रेडी तो हुई मूवी मिलना चाहिए, बट नहीं मिली तो आ जाएगी और क्या. लिटरली भगा देगा भी. टाइमिंग्स दिया है ना. हाँ किल नहीं देखना है. 9:30 का शो था क्या? टाइम क्या हो रहा है? 9:30 हाँ 9:40 अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं हुई होगी. 5:10 में ट्रेनिंग में जाने की थी पर हो तो हाँ यार कोई है नहीं. आई डोंट वांट टू वॉच इट. बहुत ज़्यादा आर्ट फिल्म वायलेंस आई डोंट वांट टू वॉच. होप के मूवी मिल जाए. ठीक है बोलो क्या हो जाएगा. मेरे को इतना जल्दी करके लेकर आया.
मैं बोला तुमको नहीं, तुम ही बोली थी.
मेरे को ऐसा था कि चांसेस मिल जाएगी क्योंकि नॉर्मली रहते हैं इनके पास टिकट्स एक्स्ट्रा. और दो भी इतनी ऑड जगह है एकदम स्टार्टिंग के रो में, और 1 and 7. अंजीर 250 रुपीज़ kg. रिसेंटली मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया है. दिस आर रियली गुड फॉर डाइट, बट अभी तक बनाया नहीं. इसको बनाना है. यू गेट ऑल दिस हियर विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. दे आर रियली नाइस ग्रॉसरी आइटम्स. बाहर के भी बहुत है इधर. ये बहुत क्यूट है. Should we take this for momos? Came to check. तो अच्छा रहेगा. You can come here next time. कुछ अच्छा 250 ग्राम है. 830. इट्स एक्सपेंसिव है बहुत. मुझे इतनी महंगी थी कि ड्यूटी फ्री में भी इतना एक्सपेंसिव नहीं. 850 का चॉकलेट का पैकेट जो आई थिंक 350-400 का होगा. बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर प्राइस है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें ओवर प्राइस है, बट बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ नहीं मिलती है. यहाँ इंडिया में यूल गेट इट हियर. जैसे वो राइस पेपर एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ इजीली मिल जाते थे. हाँ बस ऐसे जाएगा. बहुत We just came to get gift from my mom. कल हम लोग शायद फिर आने वाले हैं. I'm not sure, but yeah, I've seen few things. सिर्फ आए थे देखने के लिए कि what the sale is and what I can show. We will come most probably tomorrow, day after tomorrow, depending हमारा कल का क्या plan है. Let's see. Left my bag यार. अभी लेने आए थे फटक से. लकीली खुला था तो we got it. उसने पेटीएम पे तुमको मैसेज किया है. उसको नंबर नहीं मिल रहा था तो पेटीएम पे बेचारे ने मैसेज किया, बट लकीली चालू था. अच्छा नहीं तो बंद कर देता वो हमेशा. ऑलमोस्ट मेड इट टू द बिल्डिंग. मतलब बिल्डिंग में पार्क करने के बाद मैंने बैग छोड़ दी, बट नाउ वी गॉट इट. दैट पर्सन नो अस, तो इतना इशू नहीं था. द ओनली थिंग है सुबह जाना पड़ता फिर से, बट लकीली गॉट इट. Hi guys, so it's the next day and I'm all ready because today we are going to a mall to shop and also to shoot a video. I'm doing a really nice video with Altamash, a shopping video with Altamash, which will be coming most probably after this. So I'm just ready for that. So for today we just decided let's go outside and do something, because from past 2 days we were at home doing literally nothing. So I just thought let's go out. आज वीडियो शूट भी कर लेते, little bit of shopping and बाहर खाना खा लेते हो. So we decided that it's too late for lunch now. It's almost 3. You have to go and have lunch first and then we'll do the video. So yeah. मेरे पे लिपस्टिक निकल गई. यहाँ से जाना है. Went to parking. For parking it will take 15 to 20 minutes more. I decided to get into the mall and start shopping because I have few things to do. I'm going to start shopping while we park the car. While we park the car in the car. So at least I can start to shop right. वेस्ट साइड में भी अच्छे रहते हैं. आई लाइक द अदर वन विच वी सॉ ऊपर, वो अच्छा था. देख लो कौन सी अच्छी लग रही है. होना कि हो जाएगा तो फिर ऑनलाइन मंगाना नहीं पड़ेगा ना. इसी तो गुड.
तुम्हारे
हाँ, फीमेल फ्रेगनेंस अच्छी. तो आज सैटरडे था. वी कुडंट डू द video is because इतना crowd था. Waiting for the trial room and everything was so much. So we will do some other day. एक मिनट.
योगा बहुत खराब है. यू आर नॉट.
टेस्ट में क्यों डिफरेंस है, क्या मालूम. उसको होना नहीं चाहिए. इट्स लाइक सेम ना.
जब पूरे दोनों जगह पे, दोनों जगह सेम था उसका.
दूसरी जगह कहाँ पे?
एक क्वेश्चन तुम्हारा वाला उसका सेम था, बराबर था.
अच्छा. इतना पानी बट बहुत ज्यादा ही है. आज का दिन और आई थिंक लिटिल ख़राब बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं हुई. बट लकीली कि मेरा यहाँ से थोड़ा बहुत शॉपिंग किया है. Hi guys, so it's the next day and I kind of told you guys we're going to do a challenge which kind of didn't work out for us yesterday. कल Saturday था and we actually planned of doing that challenge on Friday and we just felt so lazy कि हम Friday पूरा दिन घर में निकाले हैं. Even though my husband had off on Friday, we were just lazing around at home and we did not do that on Friday. But we thought let's try it on Saturday. We knew Saturday rush होगा, but the only problem was the problem was that only कि हम Friday गए and we thought कि lunch time there shouldn't be that much of crowd, but when we went and we saw the queue, so ladies में इतना rush नहीं था, but ladies में as sale is going on, a lot of thing was gone. Sizes का issue होता, that is still fine, but when we went to the gents section to see the collection, वहाँ queue was insane for the trial and for the payment and I told Altamash let's just drop this idea. हमने we did some part of the challenge and we dropped the idea कि आज नहीं करना चाहिए is because gents में बहुत rush था and that would have taken us a lot of time. So we decided to drop it and do it on some weekdays. Anyway, sale is till 30th. Yeah, so we have time. कोई भी दिन बीच में जाके we could do it, एकदम आराम से सुकून से. So we dropped that idea. It was not really that great. It was raining. It started to rain when we decided to go camp and because I wanted to buy something from there and थोड़ा सा काम था. So we decided let's go there क्योंकि एक mall में we couldn't do the challenge and we went there and वहाँ इतनी बारिश हो रही थी. I know people have told me so many times पुणे में बहुत बारिश हो रही है, it's flooding and all that stuff and it's like यार हमारे इधर कुछ नहीं होता. But when you go near the main city, we saw that yesterday. मतलब पूरा पानी भर गया था. I've seen an auto rickshaw which was halfway through just because 15-20 minutes जोरदार बारिश हुई and it was like completely packed. So कल we went there, हमारा काम किया and then we came back home. And now आज सुबह से I'm kind of not feeling well. My throat is paining थोड़ा सा. So वी केम बैक होम एंड कल मैंने जो शॉप किया था मैंने ट्राई किया एंड उसमें साइज़ में थोड़ा इशू है. सो नाउ फाइनली अराउंड नाउ इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 4:35. I've decided कि let's go and get thing exchange because sale चल रहा है. I got it from Marks and Spencer's. I think आज last day है उनके sale का. So I should get it exchanged because I don't want the refund. I want to exchange the size. So most probably I should get it. So I'm just getting ready for that. Not doing too much. I'm not feeling good. Also we have one more work. So I'm just going for that as well. We'll get it exchanged, get the work done. And हमारा एक काम अटका हुआ है. So that is the reason we are like roaming so much. Due to that work, so just hope and pray कि वो हो जाए. We'll be so much at peace after that. So yes, it's life, we can't really do. At times we are so frustrated about few things and it's just not in our hand to एक minute, I'm not able to find my liner. Sometimes things is not in your hand and you can't really do about that, and that's exactly what we are facing. कि हम कितना भी try कर ले, it's not that easy for us. Let me just. So yeah, sometimes things become very difficult and you really can't do anything about it, no matter how much you try, and that is what we are facing. So hopefully हो जाना चाहिए. I'm just taking it in a positive way, no matter हो कितना मुझे परेशान and irritate कर रहा है, but still. So yes, I'll talk to you guys about this later. I'll give you all the details, but I think I am kind of stuck in that thing, so this is not the right time to talk. So yeah, done. I've just done my liner, a little bit of blush and a lip balm. That's it. I'm really not feeling that great, So let's go. Yeah, let's go and get the size exchanged. हम निकले और बारिश हुई. Luckily I had an umbrella and good thing we came from car. So yeah. Started to rain suddenly and now we're just going to get our work done. Let's see. टॉप क्रेजी बारिश है. मेरी चप्पल टूट गई है. आई डोंट नो क्या इशू है. 2 दिन से इट्स रेनिंग हेवीली. सिर्फ बीच का पोर्शन बचा है.